Hi, I am Imal Aswath. If the system of linear equations 3x plus y plus beta z equal to 3, 2x plus alpha y minus z equal to minus 3, x plus 2y plus z equal to 4 has infinitely many solutions, then delta equal to 0. Then the value of 22 beta minus 9 alpha is 22 beta minus 9 alpha. So from this what you have to find beta and alpha. What condition is given? Infinitely many solutions. Therefore here it is given delta equal to, that is delta is what here, 3 1 beta, 3 1 beta. Next 2 alpha minus 1, 2 alpha minus 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1. So it is given, it is equal to 0. So from this what you have to find? That is 3 into alpha plus 2, alpha plus 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next beta plus beta into 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus alpha, 4 minus alpha equal to 0, equal to 0. So that is equal to 3 alpha plus 6 minus 3 plus 4 beta minus alpha beta equal to 0. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 alpha plus 4 beta minus alpha beta plus 3 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Next it has infinitely many solutions. Therefore I replace this one by 3 minus 3 4, 3 minus 3 4, that is called as delta 3. So what is there? This one 3 2 1 1 alpha 2, then what is this here? 3 minus 3 4, 3 minus 3 4. Now we have to multiply, that is it is also equal to 0, it is also equal to infinitely many solutions. Therefore 3 into 4 alpha minus 6 minus 1 into 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 minus 1 into 2 4s are 8, then here plus 3, next here plus 3 into 4 minus alpha, 4 minus alpha. So that is 12 alpha minus 18, here minus 11 plus 12 minus 3 alpha. What you get is here 12 alpha minus 3 alpha, that is 9 alpha. Here minus 18 minus 11 plus 12. So what you get here? Minus 18 minus 18 plus 12 minus 6 minus 11 minus 17 equal to 0. So 9 alpha equal to 17. So alpha equal to 17 by 9. Now we substitute here. We have to get alpha, that is beta equal to, here I made one mistake. Here instead of plus I wrote minus, therefore plus 18. So plus 18 plus 12, 30 minus 11, 30 minus 11 is 19. So what do you get? Here that is plus 19. Here therefore that is plus minus 19 by 9. Minus 19 by 9. Next we have to find the alpha. Now we found alpha value. Next we have to find beta value. That is equal to 3 alpha plus 4 beta minus alpha beta plus 3 equal to 0. Here we have to substitute the alpha value. Alpha value is 3 into minus 19 by 9 plus 4 beta minus alpha beta, that is alpha beta is minus 19 by 9, therefore plus 19 by 9 beta plus 3 equal to 0. Now I bring this one here. So here 19 by 3 minus 19 by 3 plus 3, here it is equal to minus 19 by 9 beta minus 4 beta plus 3 plus 3, 3 3s are 9, so minus 10 by 3. Here 4 9s are 36, so minus 55 by 9 beta, minus 55 by 9 beta, so 3 get cancelled here, then here 2 5s are 10, here 11, then minus minus get cancelled, then here what is beta? Beta equal to 3 2s are 6 divided by 11, 3 2s are 6 divided by 11. But here we have to find alpha beta, but what is asked to find is 22 beta minus 9 alpha. So you have to substitute the values. What you get is 31. So here 2 is the correct answer. 31 is the correct answer for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.